Hello, everyone. This is Jim Ogrozinski with your week 3 screencast video. So, as I open up my announcement this week, I urge everyone to please read the AI policy, all of its terms and conditions. I want to point out that I do have an AI checker software that is really reliable. There have been some instances of AI use that fall outside the scope of the AI policy. So you might want to take a look there. Once again, I've completed grading for the AI mirror essay and discussion boards to date. Please make sure that in looking at the grade and the grade policy that you also read my comments on those particular activities. So as we are wrapping up the cultural artifacts essay on Sunday here, when I'm recording this announcement, we begin the review article module. The goal here is to write an internet formatted article. Yes, this is not an essay, so your MLA guidelines and essay formatting does not apply to this particular activity. So once again, this is the typical pattern: Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. Discussion board 4 is due Tuesday. That's the brainstorming and criteria. I strongly suggest a good read of the review article instructions. And here is where OpenStax, section 7.1, 7.3, and 7.5, by reading through those particular sections in our free textbook, you will find some good information on what it takes to write a review. This is a review article where you determine whether something is good or bad, and then you have to tell me the how and the why. Remember, the object here is the how and the why it's good using evidence, and also how not to tell me, I should say, all about something. All right. So let me get out of this particular announcement. Let's get over to the content. I believe all of week 3 is open for the review article. Here, the readings and resources activities is an important component. I do have here a link to the textbook in chapter 7, and here is the activity of the week. All right. I do have a couple of examples to offer up today. You will notice the formatting for a internet article. We have the title of the review, a byline, which is like you would see on any type of internet article. And here you see the actual review article. Notice how you have smaller chunks of information in spacing and also in white space in between some of the smaller chunks of information in the paragraphs here. This is designed so that you can promote easy reading in your internet articles. So if you look at internet content, you might want to take a look at some of those examples, and you know what you like to read on the internet. So the idea here is I offer a template. I'll probably come back about midweek to review the AI assist that is allowable in this assignment. Also, the instructions and upload for the review article. You are uploading a document that'll be formatted like an internet article. So you want to read the instructions here for the article as I've got them explained here. Read closely, because this is once again how this particular assignment will be assessed. Okay, so like I said, I'll revisit this about midweek once I finish grading out the cultural artifacts essays. So this is the review unit along with the brainstorming and criteria assignment. Think about the criteria on what makes a good movie, what makes a good podcast, what makes a good video game. We already have a post up for this particular activity. All right. So if you have any questions or issues, once again, let me get back to the announcements and the schedule right here. Please send me an email. Good luck.